નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 6 સબ્જેક્ટ સોશિયલ સાયન્સ, ચેપ્ટર નંબર 17 લાઇવલીહુડ.
Student, in first video, we learned that our India is a very great, wonderful unity in diversity. In spite of our diversity in a different religion, our language, region, and also most important economic diversity also we can see. But in spite of all the diversity, our constitution grants various to settle down anywhere in all over India, and also people living in city connected with the various occupation, whether they are doing their business or they are doing their job. And also everyone needs to create income to earn a livelihood for their family, and people earn their livelihood by service, business or labor. Now our next topic is village life. What is village life? Disa is a city of Banaskantha district. So where is Disa located? It is in Gujarat state and it is in Banaskantha district. Little far from Disa there is a village named Ranpur. So if we go little far from the Disa, there is a small village and the name of village that one is Ranpur. Most of the people here are associated with farming, and some people do farming while some are very busy in cattle rearing. So in the villages, most of the people are busy with most of their work is farming, and also people are farming while some people are also busy with cattle rearing. Who has no land, means landless people, they also do cattle rearing work. In extra time, which is separate far from farming, some people make tools, some stitches clothes. So who get the time from the farming? So in extra time, so they are also busy to earn money and they are doing some farming work, plus also some people making tools for the farming and also stitches the clothes. That one is necessary. So in the extra time, they are also working this type of work. One man runs tractor, he goes for plowing when he is cold. So one person is also running the tractor in the farming when he needed. When the other person called him, he goes to run the tractor and also plowing the field when the person called him. In spite of being small village, people do not have to go to the city for a haircut or shaving. So this village, Ranpur, is a very small village. But this small village, so people do not go to out of the village. So for that one, haircut or shaving, so all these facility they can easily get in the village. There are many small and big shops. Slippers and clothes are available in these shops. Medicines for fever, cough and cold is also available in the village shop at the time of need. Everybody grows potatoes and millet here and in the surrounding villages. So what is their occupation in a small village like Ranpur? So Ranpur villagers do their farming in extra time. Some people who have no farm, so they are doing cattle rearing work. After doing all this work, if they get the time, they spend their time to do different type of work, like they making tools, they also stitch the clothes for the person. So by this doing the extra work, they can get money, livelihood. And also one person who know how to drive this tractor, so he can also go to the plowing the field. When person call, then that time he also go for the plowing the field. In spite of being this village is very small, but people no need to go for shaving or haircut. So all these shops, we can think that this all type of shop, it is available in the village. There are many small and big shops. So in the village, there are many big shops and small shops are available. Which type of shops are? Slippers and clothes are available in these shops. So for slippers and also cloth shops are also available in the small village. Medicine. Which type of medicine? Medicine for fever, cough, cold. It is also available. When they need this type of medicine, it is available in the village. So immediately any emergency case, they no need to go for shopping in the city. Everybody grows. So in the village, there also grows potato and millet here and surrounding these villages. So in the villages, in the farming time, they also grows potato and millet. So daily routine things are there. So they also this grows potato and millet. Tailor, carpenter, barber and blacksmith are also available in this village. Along with their occupation, they are also connected with farming and farm labor. So this work, which type of work are also available in the villages? Tailor, carpenter, barber for shaving and blacksmith are also available in this village. Now along with this occupation, all these available in the occupation in the village, but also they are connected with the farming and farm labor. So who had no land, they can also do their farm labor work. So by doing this work, they can also earn money. One young man has made a shop for tea and snacks. So one person also can open their shop with tea and snacks. Passers-by stand here more in numbers than villagers people do for tea and snacks. Who are passing from these villages to go another city or another village, they can have their tea and snacks in these shops. Some farmers grow vegetables throughout the year, while some other farmers prepare orchard for growing pomegranate and other fruits. People are seen growing fruits, flowers and vegetables in this village. So in this village, many people doing farming, they are also doing extra work like tailor, carpenter, blacksmith work also they are doing. And along with this, their occupation, they are also connected with farming and also who have no field, no land, they can do labor work also to earn some money. One person also have a shop for tea and snacks, so the passenger who are going from the passers means passenger who are going from one place to another place, they can take rest and also they have tea and some snacks here. So from this they can also earn money. Some farmers also grow vegetables throughout the year. Whole year they are growing the vegetables so they can sell in the market and they can earn money. While some other farmers prepare orchard for growing pomegranate and other fruits. So other farmers also growing some other fruits like pomegranate and other fruits, banana, mango and grapes like this also. People are seen growing fruits, flowers, vegetables in the village. So villagers, no need, if they don't want to go in the other city to earn money, they can do this type of work in their village. Fruits, vegetables and flowers they can grow in their villages and they can sell in the market and they can earn money. Here also I wrote some sentences about the village life. A large number of villagers make livelihood by farming, doing farm labor and cattle rearing. So the person who have a field, they can use their livelihood by farming, and some person who have no farm, no land, so they can do farm labor and cattle rearing. Second is, many people run their lives by doing occupation like tailoring work, carpentry work, blacksmith work, goldsmith work, clay and bricks making this type of work also they can do. In the village, some people have shops for sale of grocery, vegetables, clothes, tea and snacks, sale of seeds and fertilizer for the farming. Some of the villagers go to the city and work as a construction labor or a truck drivers. They can also earn money like this type of work they can do in the city. Some villagers regularly earn their livelihood by selling milk. So some people who have cattle rearing, so they can do all this work for livelihood. So they can sell milk, vegetables or other things from the villages to the city. They can also send these all the things by the city. So in the villages also they can earn money. So each and every person no need to go to city to earn their livelihood. So they can do this type of work and they can earn money.
Thank you for joining us.